stakeholders in the campaign against human trafficking have called for access to information for trafficked victims as a means of also ensuring that the victims to stamp out the menace. Now, this is one of the key recommendations at a capacity workshop on trafficking in persons for professionals in the legal profession in Nigeria. TV 360's Abisola Adebayo has more on the story.
Trafficking in human beings is widely recognized as a serious criminal offense and human rights violation under both international and domestic law. Victims of human trafficking suffer gross violations of their human rights, in addition to severe physical and psychological trauma. Even in the face of these violations, the victims are ignorant of their rights to request for fair compensation from the perpetrator of the criminal act for material and non-material damages. It is against this background that the International and Ibero-American Foundation for Administration and Public Policies, with funding from the European Union, organized this workshop to strengthen the capacity of legal professionals handling trafficking matters.
This program, funded by the European Union, basically we are here doing is provide the tools for the Nigerian agencies in order to improve the capacity, the access to the victim, to protect victims, and also to increase the capacity of the officer who are tackling against trafficking in person. So it means that after these 2 days, I am sure that all of them will share information, and the collaboration between them will be very, very useful for the program.
We will be able to see the extent to which NAPTIP has been able to go in providing access to justice for victims of trafficking. And like I said before, we will learn new innovations. They will also learn from us. We will learn from them, because knowledge, there is no end to learning. So we are all here to learn. And in the process, we should be able to come up with profound new solutions on how to give access to justice to victims of trafficking.
Speakers believe collaborative effort is key towards achieving the purpose of giving a voice to trafficked victims. But the agencies involved must shun every form of competitiveness in this regard.
Human trafficking is a crime itself. We should understand that the victim-centered approach should be employed. And then we have to do all state, all persons, all private sector, all NGOs, faith-based organizations approach. We need to understand what to do exactly. One of the things we should do is to stop competing. That's one of the things. We should stop competing. This multi-agency rivalry should not come up again any longer when it comes to victims of human trafficking.
The participants believe that judicial and administrative mechanism could be established and strengthened where necessary to enable victims to obtain redress through formal and informal procedures that are expeditious, fair, inexpensive, and accessible. Abisola Adebayo, TV 360, Lagos.